Hello, I'm James Parsons, and I'm here with my son James, and we're the creators of Field Tracker Pro. And what we'd like to do today is show you how it works and some of the benefits. But first of all, I want you to realize that we're farmers as well. We farm about 1,000 acres between two businesses and growing about 7 different crops. Now we work together, so all of us need access to all the information all the time. So James is going to show you how this works.
All right, so from your main screen, we select Field Tracker Pro, and now we're going to log in. Once you've logged in on a device, your device will remember that password, and so you only have to do it the one time. Oops. So normally you would show up straight to the tracked years. So we'll select 2013. And your list of fields appears, and as long as you've recorded what crop's being grown, it is identified with the field name. So let's select a field. Now within the field, the list of field activities displays that we want to record. So today let's talk about spray. So what displays here is the list of all the spray activities you've recorded so far this year. And so if we select, we're going to do a new entry today. The list of spray activities you can record shows up. So if we're in the off season, or maybe we're crop scouting and we're identifying weeds that we want to spray for, we can go into plan details and identify the product we're going to use, as well as the rates and what have you. If we're in the spray and we're actively spraying today, we'll do a new entry. And we can record the actual spray, the actual weather details, and as much or as little information as you want to. Now if we go back to the list of activities, there's a view activity report, and we find this one very useful because it gives you the entire list of the activities for this field in chronological order, the oldest at the bottom, the newest at the top. And you get a quick reference of all the details that you've recorded so far this year for that field.
Yes, and now one of the very, very important things was that it be very easy to use, and you can see how quickly you can add things there. And when you're on auto steer in the field, you can just go ahead and update your settings, or not your settings, your activities, and it's just super easy. Now the other thing that was critical was that we have multiple users, and in the base program you have 5 different users. So you go into settings and manage users, and there's different levels of access that you can give people. An administrator is the top level, and they can change data, add or subtract or delete. And we have 3 administrators, my husband, myself, and James. And then we also have people that drive tractor, and they're editors. And what they can do is basically look at the data and update an activity that they've completed, so they can edit and say it's done. Now sometimes we'll give our crop advisor access to our information so that they can look and see what we've been doing and what perhaps the seeding's been or the spraying, so that they can advise us. So that's how we use our different users. Now is there anything else, James, that I've forgotten?
Just real quick, if you look on each activity, you can record free flow comments, as much info or as little as you choose. You can see there's a couple of comments on my screen here. And the other thing that's really nice, along with these comments, is the ability to review your historical records. And this record will be developed throughout the years, that we can have a quick reference back to what actually happened, when it happened, for that knowledge going forward. So it really works for us, and hopefully it could work for you. Give the free trial a test run. Hopefully it can work well for your operation as well. Thanks very much.